Hello friends, now let's talk about a short strangle strategy, which is the reverse of a long strangle. A short strangle is a high risk strategy. It is a very high risk strategy which is adopted when we are expecting low volatility conditions. So when the trader is expecting low volatility, then a short strangle strategy can be expected, because the profit of a short strangle is limited while the potential loss which can be generated from the strategy is unlimited, since we are selling calls over here and put options. Okay. Now we see we are actually selling calls and put options both slightly out of the money as we had done in a long strangle strategy. So here we are selling calls and puts, C minus at 6100, P minus at 5900. So initial premium inflow from the strategy would be 60 rupees plus 50 rupees, making it a total of 110 rupees. This is the maximum profit which can be generated from the strategy. Okay. So if we look over here, we have done a C minus at 6100. So below 6100 price, if the prices are going, the call option gets lapsed, hence giving us a premium income of 50 rupees. Above 6100, call option gets exercised and starts incurring a loss. Okay. Vice versa with the put option, we see that above 5900, the put option gets lapsed and gives us the premium inflow of 60 rupees, and if the prices starts going down, it starts generating loss. So overall profit from the strategy will be call option payoff plus the put option payoff, which is this. So we can see that if the prices are going below these levels, that is the strike price levels, it starts giving us unlimited loss. And if the market is range bound between 5800 to 6200, this strategy gives us profit. Okay. Now how do we calculate the break even point from this strategy? 110 rupees is the maximum profit which we have gained, right? So from 6100, if the price goes up further up 6100 levels, call option starts giving us loss. So the break even point from this strategy will be 6100 plus 110. So if we calculate, break even point number 1 will be 6100 plus 110, which gives us a total of 6210, and break even number 2, second break even point from the strategy will be 5900 minus 110, because when the prices starts going below 5900, put option gets exercised. Since we are a seller of a put option, this will start incurring loss, hence our break even point is 5900 minus 110, which makes it 5790. So these are the two break even points of the strategy. 110 rupees is the maximum profit. Loss will be unlimited if the price goes in either direction. So if we look over here at the option payoff, we are shorting a put option, say both at the same premium. Okay. So the strategy will give us a constant profit of 100 rupees if it is there in this range, which is 5000 and 5100, and will start incurring loss once the price moves out of the range, that is 5000 and 5100. How is the break even point calculated? So put option is 5000, 5000 minus 100, that is 4900, will be our first break even point, and simultaneously 5200, that is 5100 plus the initial premium inflow, 5200 is our second break-even point out of the strategy. As the price goes further up, we can see that the strategy is giving us a loss. Okay. Now I will quickly discuss one more variation of a strangle strategy, which is known as a gut strategy. Now this gut strategy is similar to a strangle strategy, except that the fact that in a strangle strategy we were considering both the options as out of the money options, whereas in a gut strategy both the options are in the money. So we purchase an in the money call option and we purchase a in the money put option. Okay, so this payoff diagram will be similar as of a strangle strategy, as we can see over here. And if we look at the payoff, if we look over here, so when we are designing a gut strategy, we have to purchase an in the money put option. Since the current market price is 6,000, so in the money put option will be 6,100 and in the money call option will be 5,900. So we will be purchasing a 5,900 call option and a 6,100 put option in case we want to design a gut strategy. Am I clear? Thank you.